Black Shark, a company of the Xiaomi ecosystem, have released what many are saying the best budget wireless gaming earbuds. Today, we are checking the Black Shark Lucifer T1 wireless earbuds, so we can see if that's true. Welcome to the review of the Black Shark Lucifer T1 wireless earbuds. Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome, to another earbuds review. If you're new here, let me tell you, I do unboxings and tech reviews like this one today. If something interests you, please consider subscribing, share the video all around with your friends, and give us a thumbs up. With this said, let's start the review, starting with the price. The price tag for the Black Shark Lucifer T1 is £27.49, so less than £30 for a gaming earbuds. I'm impressed already. For the US, the price tag is $25.49, again a great price. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them out for best price and product information. The Lucifer T1s have a very simple design, with the Black Shark logo on top of the case lid. The lid is transparent, so you can see the LEDs inside, giving it a gaming look. On the front of the case you have a big LED on a green color for battery indication. On the back you have a USB-C port for charging. Inside of the case you have one LED each side, and the Black Shark branding in the middle. Like I said already, the LEDs give a very nice gaming look. The case is made of plastic on a matte black color. Opening the case is very smooth, with the lid stays open by itself. There is a magnet to keep the lid closed so you don't lose your earbuds. When you take the earbuds from the case, you can see that they have a gaming look, with the same colors of the case, with the Black Shark logo on the touch surface and the branding on the stem. Below the touch surface, you have as well a LED, giving it a great gaming look. At the end of the stem, you have the microphones. On the back of the stem, the contacts for charging. Battery life. On the battery field, they are not the best, but for the price, we can live with that. You will have 3.5 hours of payback time on a single charge, with 35 hours extra using the charging case. Let's see some of the specs now. So, you will get Bluetooth 5.2, 2 modes, gaming and music mode. Ultra low latency when in gaming mode, 55 milliseconds. 10mm dynamic drivers. 4 microphones. More on the microphones later. IPX4 waterproof. Okay, good for the rain, but not more than that. And up to 35 hours playback time with the case, and they use Type-C USB charging. Sound signature. The Lucifer T1s have 2 modes, the gaming mode and the music mode, and because of that they have 2 sound signatures. The bass on either modes is very boomy, it picks up sub-bass very well, you will feel the impact, so if you are a bass type of person, this pair is excellent for that. In my opinion, the best mode to listen music is in gaming mode, just because I felt like in music mode the mids were kind of a little far back, and in gaming mode the mids get pushed forward. The treble in both modes is very bright, but like I said, the gaming mode sounds better across all music types. Gaming earbuds need to have good microphones, so you can speak in games like Call of Duty for example. And in my opinion, the Black Shark Lucifer T1s are good, but please be the judge on next call quality test, inside and outside.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the Black Shark Lucifer T1 outside. For microphones, and it's not noise cancelling, nothing like that, it's just 4 microphones to each ear. So what you guys think about the sound? Right, again, it's a bit windy today, it starts to rain now, and guys, let me know about the sound. You're not going to be using them outside probably because they are more for gaming, but just in case you use them outside, this is how they sound outside. We're going to go inside and do the review of the mic inside, where you're going to be playing a game and then the phone call comes up and then you're going to be talking using the microphones on the Black Shark Lucifer T1. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Black Shark Lucifer T1s inside of the house. So if you're going to go and get a phone call, this is the sound you will get. They are gaming earbuds, so they are more for gaming. So they need to have a good sound. Sometimes, even on the phone you are gaming and you need to speak, like Call of Duty, something like that, and you need good sounding. So hopefully they will have a good sound as well. I'm quite impressed with them. For the price, you're gonna get a lot of things. But guys, carry on watching the review and let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound.
Latency. The Black Shark Lucifer T1s on the latency field are kings. For the price you will be amazed. In music mode, watching Netflix and YouTube is not a problem, but playing games, you will have a delay. But when you switch for gaming mode, the delay is gone, and the image and the sound are synchronized. The Lucifer T1s have touch controls, and they work okay, letting you control all the media apart from the sound volume. Sadly, brands miss the opportunity to make the earbuds stand up even more. In my opinion, the volume option should come with all the earbuds. Final opinion. In general, the Black Shark Lucifer T1s are a great gaming pair of earbuds for the price. They are light, comfortable, and have a gaming mode with only 55 milliseconds of latency. In addition, the design is cool and original. I would recommend these earbuds without any problems. You will be very happy with them without breaking your bank. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Black Shark Lucifer T1's wireless earbuds. If you found value on this review, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Wish you a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.